the 20s model Ford Explorers. I've got a video on one thing that causes a water leak, and it's because the seal on the back glass falls off. And I have just replaced this glass. I figured I'd make a quick video on this. I have just replaced this glass for that exact problem. Now you can see this is the bottom of the rear trough, which would be inside the headliner. See how it's all water right there, or water spots? All right, water's been splashing through there. Here's why. Here's the seal. Here's the seal right here. This is the seal. You see the seal right here? All right, that right there, this right here, this gap, that's where it's supposed to be. This is down here. It's supposed to be right here. So when this top of the glass is even with the top of the roof, the seal's way down here. What do you think that's sealing? I'll take nothing for a billion, Alex. So anyway, I'm going to put this as a link to my other video on how to look for this. You can see where the pollen's been around in here. Look how this thing's falling off, and you see how it gets right back into place way on up here. But around here, it starts around the corner, and in the back, it just falls down. Now this little trough right here is supposed to catch the water and move it off right here, and it goes to the rear drains. But you know, how much do you think this can possibly take? When the water's just blasting by here, it spills up over and you get this, and the headliner was stained and everything. So anyway, this fixed this one, but I just figured this was a good example of I've showed it to you in the car, but now this is it out of the car. This big gap right here, that's where that seal's supposed to be. Oh, there it is. This big gap is where that's right here. This is where the seal's here. It's supposed to be here. So not cool, but there you go. There's an example. Questions, comments, talk to me.